Okay. What is my understanding? I will just explain. Then we can decide.
Okay.
We are saying that low level, and this is tripping the system now. Tripping the system. That means what is our consequence? Consequence is loss of production, right? And we have response time more than 30 minutes. So considering that, and we have taken for tripping, we have taken the severity low because we have to start the system. It's a notable risk and not urgent category. If you see
Yes.
low and not urgent, coming P3. So guys, this is
Yeah.
acceptable, right? No
Yeah,
concern.
it's
Yeah.
okay.
Okay. So now we are talking about LH 409, second
This is the
stage.
oil side.
This is the oil tank. So this is the process subset, yes. This is valid. And why oil level will go high? Because we'll see in the report level high, more level. If LCV 40903 is closed, increase in the oil level in second stage separator leading to overfilling, carry over steam in the second stage separator. Yeah, this is correct. Correct now?
Mm-hmm.
So where is the LCV 003? Manual. Where is LCV?
Yeah. Okay, this LCP, go down, go down, go down. Yeah, this one. It's actually okay. It will be on the stripper on that next pin ID. Next pin ID. There you go. That FCB, it's actually cascading to a flow control, right? So it's an FCB 70911.
But we are talking about 03.
No, can you go to the this one, right? Of 40903. Can you go pin ID first? Go back to the other one, to the second stage separator. Yeah. Where's the right? See, this one is LIC actually. If you see that LIC right on the right hand side.
We are talking about LAH 40903.
Yeah. So go back to the pin ID. It is shown at the right hand top side, right? Yeah,
This one.
right. 40903.